trying to get ready for spring. We got to get these things started so that by January, February, we can pot them on and get them going. We've got our root trainer here all ready to go. Let's grab a few cuttings. These, you can see the new growth coming on. Take some of these petunias up here. We've got new growth available for taking for cuttings. New growth coming on up here. You can see all this. So we'll grab some. Almost done. Just take a bite. Alright. Got our rooting hormone. We're going to start these a little early. See that guy right there? See where these bottom leaves are? We're going to cut right below those bottom leaves there. Right like that. Strip these off. Pinch out the top. We don't want that. Dip that in hormone. Plug it away. So there's one, there's two, that's your last node right there. So right above that. And then pinch out the top. You're down to two leaves. You can cut those if you need room. Doesn't much matter. Sometimes it gets kind of crowded in here. Here's that top piece that we just used up. We're going to take the bottom leaves, pinch out the top. Hormone. Boom. Strike. This is new growth, really soft, tender stuff. Down here at the base of this stem, where the leaves are coming out, that's where you have all your differentiated cells. Right in there, the genetic markers that are in that little spot right there are what make the plant want to throw out roots. It's just the way God made it. It starts with an M. Marrowstone Island. That's a little spot over in Puget Sound area of Washington. Right down here. Put the lid on there. There's your 24 cuttings. For next spring, you got your reds, your pinks. This one here. This is your bubble gum. That one is super prolific. You don't even have to try. You just take a little piece like this. You stick that in the ground. You don't even need any rooting hormone. That thing will root super fast. That is a easy plant to root. That's it. Alright, we're out in the pump house checking on our 24 petunias. They have been on bottom heat. I got this hot pad here and they're looking pretty good. I'm gonna pull some of these out and see if we have roots. Look at that. All rooted. Looking good. Try this one down the end here. I really like these root trainers. Well, this one, it has roots, but not as well. Yeah, they're all root. There's roots all the way through them, but it just doesn't look as good as that last one. This had more sand in it, in this particular pot. 4-pack. All right, let's check this one that had. Looks like it had one that didn't work. Oh yeah, look at that. All root. Looking good. Okay, we're gonna give these about another week, and then we will transplant them. They'll stay in here on the bottom heat, and they'll get a little bit of fertilizer. Alright, before we put that on, let's spray them down. Spray down the tops. Let me just show you what else we got going on here. Those were the first ones I did. I also did a 72-pack here. And some of these, see if we can get them to come out. They're pretty rooted in here. Wonder if I can pop one up from down below. There we go. Look at that. We got roots. White roots coming on. You can tell they're rooted. All new growth here. And I even have some geraniums in the back. Six geraniums. I need to do some more geraniums up here. I think this is my geranium up here. Yeah. I'll take some cuttings off of this one up here and make some more. I think I have one geranium down below. Where are you? There it is. Let's see. Look at that petunia. That's one that I overwintered from pulling it out of the basket. Here we go. Look at that. It's coming on with the flower. Just after Thanksgiving, November, late November. And it's almost gonna flower. It's a little bit too tall for, I should put it up here. There we go. All right, looks like we have success. You guys have a good day.